Hey everybody, I'm Dr. Chow Win Wee here. I'm super excited today to be with one of my best students, Miss Stephanie Wu right here. I flew out here to see her, help her set up the property, make sure that everything is good. I'm gonna show you how it's get done, okay? First of all, what do you like about the house from the exterior side?
So it's a very charming Spanish-style home, and I love that it has like a lot of the original design and color, and so I think it's really unique in that aspect. Yeah.
Oh, wonderful, wonderful. And look at the neighborhood. How's the neighborhood?
Yeah, very safe, very quiet neighborhood actually. We're
Yeah.
probably the most noisy ones here, filming outside.
Cool. All right, let's walk around the house. Natural sunlight, beautiful centerpiece, beautiful view, some accents item. Of course, a working desk, one of two working desks. Actually, three working desks in the house because corporate housing, a lot of people work at home, so you want as many working desks as possible. We go out here, dining room, a lot of natural light, right? Coffee, tea, nice kitchen, granite countertop. And then you go to the backyard. Oh, now this is happening right here. 2-car garage. Nice little backyard for the kids, the dogs. This is California, by the way. So to have a house like this, definitely at least $1 million or more. Okay, so we're out here in the backyard. It's a beautiful home, as you can see. Anything else you like about the house or the property that you want to share with the audience?
Definitely the landscaping. The neighborhood is nice. It's so close to the beach, SoFi Stadium, LAX. You can get to Kia Forum, it's like in the center of LA, so you can really get anywhere really quick.
Nice.
So
nice.
I love that about this area.
That's good. That's good. Stephanie, how much would this home cost if somebody to buy it out here?
It's around 900 to under $1 million.
Wow.
900,000.
900,000 in California, yeah. And she's also a realtor too, so you would know I was a realtor as well. So somebody buy this as a rental home, they gotta put what, 20% down, right?
Yeah, for a primary, around 20%. Could be less, depending on the program.
For the rental, yeah.
Oh, for rental,
For rental,
definitely like
yeah,
20% to 30 sometimes.
Yeah, so that's like $200,000 to $300,000, right? The point here is you can rent this home unfurnished for about...
Oh, we rented it for $3,900.
Yeah, so around $4,000 you can rent for unfurnished. You furnish it, you rent it for companies for about how much?
Could be so more than double actually. This home could probably rent for around 8,500.
8,500. Yes, you hear that? So you make about 4,000, maybe at least 3,000 a month.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah. So that's why I love this business. You like this business?
Oh yeah, I love it. It's working for me.
I know, right? It's awesome, man. All you do is leverage. You gotta know how to leverage. Because as young people like us, it's hard to buy 4 houses in California. You heard anybody buy 4 houses in California? but you can just rent 4 houses and make money right away, right? Yeah. And what would you say to somebody who's on the fence of thinking about doing this?
Just do it.
Just do it.
Just do it.
Okay.
Yeah, just do
Okay.
it. I think investing in yourself is one of the only things that you can be consistent about is yourself. And investing in yourself is the greatest return that you will get. It took me a huge leap to do it, but I'm so glad that I did. Yeah.
Awesome. And then the coaches and everybody has been helping you enough?
Oh yeah. The most beneficial part is that coaches are available all the time, and there's so many other people in the community as well who have done this, several properties in, and they're so encouraging. They're always looking out for us if we need pet addendums or like documents, any of that stuff. There's always people willing to help and support us.
Yeah, exactly. Don't forget about me.
And Dr. Chow, I mean, he came out here, right? Yeah. Yeah, and Dr. Chow's like, million years of wisdom, also is very supportive.
So Stephanie, you only been in the program for about 5 months, and this is your, how many properties now?
4.
4 properties. Awesome, good job.
Thank
so
you.
On per property, how much do you make on average?
Around 3 to 4, could be more than 4. Just depends on location.
Yeah, 3 to 4 what?
1,000.
Okay, just making
Per
sure.
property.
Not 3 to 400, okay?
Yeah.
3 to 4,000, man. So all you need is about 4 of these. You can make like at least 6-figure income right there. 10 to 15K a month. Can you say? Yeah, about there. So It's easy. And I was a pharmacist. It took me 8 years to make 10K a month. 8 years of grueling medical school and studying 60 hours a week and no sleep and just crazy. But anyway, now she just did it in a few months. And how many hours do you work per week on this business?
Very minimally. I mean, the setup takes a little bit more time, but once it's set up, really hands off. I would say maybe like 15 hours a week.
At most, yeah.
Yeah.
So it's fair to say about 5 to 15 hours.
Yeah.
Yeah. But once you set it up,
Once you
then
set it up, it's like
it's more like what? 2?
some
5?
properties I don't even reach out or do anything with them for weeks.
Yeah.
So
Yeah. So it really depends, Hey, if you all want to learn more about this, book a call with us, a one-on-one call. We give you guys for free. Our top advisor will take the time and spend an hour to ask about all your life and see where you want to go from this. And it's worth $1,000. If you want to take up on that offer, DM us. Thank you. Take care.